DC-powered and manual scissor cart tables provide unparalleled ergonomic support in lifting, palletizing, loading, and unloading applications. The carts are raised or lowered with either a 12-volt DC-powered motor or a manual 2-speed auto-shift foot pump. Press the small lever at the left corner of the pump with your toe. To lower the platform, the unit will hold its position when the lowering lever is released. An internal DC-powered electric motor and 12-volt battery is included on DC units. The electric motor is rated at 1600 watts. The standard DC-powered cart is furnished with a constant pressure, deadman-style push-button control. Pressing the up button will turn on the power unit to raise the platform. The platform will raise only while the control is pressed. Upon releasing the control, the platform will stop and hold its position. Pressing the down push button will energize the lowering valve to allow the platform to descend by gravity. The motor does not run. Again, releasing the control will stop the platform movement and the unit will hold its position. The units roll smoothly with 2 rigid and 2 swivel 4x2 phenolic casters with brakes. The ergonomic push handle is removable. It includes a battery charger that is operated on a 115-volt AC power. The push buttons to raise and lower lift are located on the power unit. The detachable hand control on a coil cord is standard. The platform is equipped with perimeter pinch point guard for OSHA compliance, has a baked-in powder-coated toughness. Choose between 1,000 or 1,500 pound capacities. Some of the models have a partially stainless steel finish. Check out our line of DC-powered and manual scissor carts today.